dolphins have fascinated humans for thousands of years. From their playful behavior and graceful movements to their friendly interactions with people, dolphins seem to possess a unique charm unlike any other creature in the ocean. But beyond their charming personalities lies something even more extraordinary: their intelligence. Dolphins are widely recognized as one of the smartest animals on the planet. But why are dolphins so intelligent, and why does their intelligence matter? More importantly, what makes dolphins so vital to ocean ecosystems and even to human understanding of marine life? In this in-depth video, we'll explore the remarkable brainpower of dolphins, the scientific reasons behind their intelligence, and the many ways they contribute to the health of our oceans and the enrichment of our world. When we talk about animal intelligence, we often compare species based on things like problem-solving skills, communication, memory, and social behavior. In almost every category, dolphins score exceptionally high. Dolphins have large brains relative to their body size. The encephalization quotient, EQ, which measures brain size in relation to body size, is very high in dolphins, second only to humans in some species like the bottlenose dolphin. But it's not just the size of the brain that matters, it's how it's structured. Dolphins have a highly developed neocortex, the part of the brain responsible for higher thinking, self-awareness, and problem-solving. They also have an advanced limbic system, which plays a key role in emotions and social behavior. Dolphins are one of the few animals known to pass the mirror test, a sign of self-awareness. When a dolphin sees its reflection in a mirror, it can recognize that the image is of itself, not another animal. This places dolphins in the same category as great apes, elephants, and humans when it comes to self-recognition. In the wild, dolphins have been observed using tools. For example, some dolphins in Australia place sea sponges over their snouts to protect themselves while hunting on the ocean floor. This kind of behavior shows foresight, planning, and the ability to learn from experience, clear signs of intelligence. They're also great problem solvers, capable of complex learning, cooperation, and even understanding symbolic language in captivity. Dolphins have one of the most sophisticated forms of communication in the animal kingdom. They produce a variety of sounds, including clicks, whistles, and body movements, to interact with each other and navigate their environment. One of the most fascinating discoveries in dolphin research is the concept of the signature whistle. Each dolphin develops its own unique whistle that acts like a name. They use this whistle to introduce themselves and call out to other dolphins, much like humans use names. Dolphins also use echolocation to see their surroundings. By emitting clicking sounds and listening to the echoes that bounce off objects, they can identify shapes, distances, and even the density of underwater objects. This ability is not just useful for hunting, it's also a sophisticated form of sensory processing that points to high-level brain function. Dolphins are not solitary animals. They live in complex social groups, often called pods. Within these pods, they form strong bonds, display teamwork, and even show signs of emotional connection and empathy. Dolphins often work together to hunt, herd fish, or defend against predators. Some groups form bubble nets to trap schools of fish, while others take turns catching prey or helping injured pod members. They also show signs of empathy and mourning. There have been reports of dolphins carrying dead calves, appearing to grieve their loss. This emotional depth is rare among animals and speaks to their social intelligence. Beyond their intelligence, dolphins play a critical role in maintaining healthy ocean ecosystems. As predators, they help keep populations of fish, squid, and other prey in balance, which contributes to biodiversity and stability in marine food chains. When dolphin populations are healthy, it usually indicates that the surrounding ocean environment is also in good condition. In this way, dolphins act as indicator species. Their health reflects the overall health of the ocean. Throughout history, dolphins have captured the human imagination. They've appeared in ancient art, mythologies, and folklore across many cultures, from ancient Greece and Rome to Polynesian and Native American traditions. Dolphins are often associated with wisdom, protection, and harmony with nature. In modern times, they are a symbol of conservation, peace, and the beauty of the natural world. Their friendliness toward humans also adds to their importance. There are countless stories of wild dolphins rescuing swimmers, guiding lost boats, or simply playing alongside people in the water. Whether it's instinct or intelligence, dolphins seem to possess a remarkable ability to connect with us. Dolphins have also been part of scientific research for decades. Some scientists have studied their brains to understand the evolution of intelligence, while others have looked into their behavior to learn more about language, communication, and emotions in animals. In the field of animal-assisted therapy, dolphins are sometimes used in therapeutic settings to help children with autism, individuals with physical disabilities, and people struggling with emotional trauma. The calming presence of dolphins and their ability to interact gently with people can provide comfort and motivation in rehabilitation. While dolphin therapy remains controversial in some circles, there's no denying the psychological impact these animals can have on humans. Despite their intelligence and importance, dolphins face many dangers in the modern world. These include pollution, plastic waste, oil spills, and chemical runoff can harm dolphins' habitats and poison their food sources. Fishing nets and bycatch. Dolphins often get accidentally caught in commercial fishing nets, leading to injury or death. Noise pollution. Underwater noise from ships, sonar, and construction interferes with dolphins' echolocation and communication. Captivity. Dolphins in aquariums and marine parks often suffer from stress, limited space, and lack of social stimulation. Climate change. Rising ocean temperatures and changing ecosystems threaten the availability of food and suitable habitats. To protect dolphins, it's crucial that we support marine conservation efforts, reduce plastic and chemical pollution, and rethink the ethics of keeping dolphins in captivity. Dolphins are not just intelligent animals, they are complex, emotional, and socially connected beings. Their intelligence rivals that of the great apes, and their ability to communicate, solve problems, and form emotional bonds is astonishing. Beyond that, dolphins play a vital ecological role in maintaining ocean health. They also offer us insight into the evolution of intelligence, the possibilities of interspecies communication, and the importance of living in harmony with nature. Dolphins remind us that we are not alone in the animal kingdom when it comes to thought, feeling, and social connection. They challenge us to respect and protect the oceans, not just for their sake, but for the future of all life on Earth. So next time you see a dolphin leap through the waves or hear the high-pitched clicks of its call, remember, you're witnessing one of the most intelligent, important, and inspiring creatures our planet has to offer.